NA1SS, this is W2NPT, over.
Whiskey 2 November Papa Tango, Whiskey 2 November Papa Tango, this is November Alpha 1 Sierra Sierra, over.
Are you ready for the questions? Over.
Yes, go ahead, this is the International Space Station, welcome on board, go ahead with the questions.
Hello, my name is Connor Aaron. Were you afraid the first time you went into space? Over.
Connor, well, I was not really afraid. I had a little bit of apprehension. You know, not every day you strap yourself to a bomb that explodes and throw you in space. But it was a fun ride after all. Over.
Hello, my name is Joshua Wissey. What kind of food do you eat in space? Over.
Joshua, we have a lot of different type of food here. It's all packaged, dehydrated or pre-cooked, but we have like 70 or 80 different things that we can combine and do fun meals. Over.
CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters. This is Kilo Mike 4, Tango X-ray Tango. Kilo Mike 4, Tango X-ray Tango. Calling CQ 20 meters and standing by.
Victor Alpha 4, Echo, Echo, Echo.
Victor Alpha 4, Echo, Echo, Echo. You are 5-9 into DeLand, Florida.
Roger, Roger. You're also 5-9 into Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Name here is Sean. Over.
QSL 5-9 into DeLand, Florida.
Thank you for the 5-9, and thank you for picking up my call from Victor Alpha 4, Echo, Echo, Echo. Greetings from Canada. See you later, 73.
73.
Hello, welcome to the Fairlawn Amateur Radio Club. We're glad you're here. A little about us. FLARC, as we are affectionately known, has been in existence for a little over 60 years and is sponsored by the Borough of Fairlawn. We're an active, friendly, and growing club.
It's just a little bit in terms of our membership, going back to the 60th anniversary, where we had 78 members on file as of January 1st. You could see that we've grown fairly consistently to 2020. And then this year, instead of 167, we had 165.
We regularly hold speaker programs.
Welcome to the last 40 minutes of the 96 years of 500 KCs.
Conduct training classes, offer monthly VE testing sessions, and activate special event stations. Field Day, Winter Field Day contests, and other activities make for a full FLARC event calendar. The club is located nearby at the Fairlawn Recreation Center, 1010 20th Street. The clubhouse has 5 operating positions, full tech bench, and a meeting place for both members and guests.